This week's recipe review are eggless pancakes from egglesscooking.com. They're described as being light, fluffy, incredibly easy to make, and require just a few pantry staples. This tried and true recipe guarantees perfect pancakes every time. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so these pancakes were super simple and easy to make. My wife was looking for breakfast ideas that didn't require eggs. At the time of filming, eggs are very expensive because of the avian or bird flu, and when she fixed these for me, I was impressed and felt it would be a good idea to review these so others can enjoy pancakes without eggs. Plus, they're also great for those who are allergic to eggs. One thing to note when cooking these is it's very important to control the heat of your pan or griddle. As mentioned in the recipe notes, if the pan gets too hot, the pancakes are likely to burn on the outside while being raw or undercooked in the middle. I cooked these on medium and just watched them carefully, and they turned out perfectly. For ladling the batter, I used a 1/4 measuring cup that I've used for years to make pancakes, and they turn out the right size. And it makes 6 pancakes like the recipe said. One last thing is my wife made homemade blueberry syrup for serving, and I'll leave the link to that recipe in the description box below. And these were made with King Arthur gluten-free measure for measure flour. I started out with a bite of the pancake without any syrup, and it was delicious. It was light and fluffy and tasted wonderful. It's surprising that these only have a teaspoon of sugar for the entire batch, but I honestly didn't notice it. And I have a love of sugary food, so that's really saying something. These pancakes use 2 teaspoons of baking powder to help them turn out fluffy, but the taste is offset with the 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and that's important. It's just enough to notice a hint of cinnamon, and it makes a really flavorful pancake. Overall, I love the simplicity of these pancakes. They use common everyday ingredients that most people have on hand. And you don't have to mess up a bunch of bowls and dishes and jump through several hoops just to make some pancakes. We usually make these about once a week. I give them 10 stars and encourage you to give them a try. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me something down in the comments below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, thanks for watching.